Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to make a QR code. So it's probably something like most people don't know about QR code. QR code is like a symbol for, I'll say, phone, like when you put your phone camera and like it records a code. I'm just gonna put it over here as editing like example of a QR code. So if you have a QR code, it's like most people don't know how to make one. It's simple. You go to this website, link in description. I'm gonna put it, and you click on sign up free. So you come here, you check the plans that they have. You can pay money to get extra stuff. But right now, I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna click on get started. So after I click on get started, I'm just gonna log in. Like you can log in with Google, continue with Google, or you can log in manually. I'm just gonna log in and come back. So back after like you log in over here, you log into the website. You get on this page. It's the home page. So in the home page, you can make links. I'm gonna put the how to make. If you don't know how to make links, I'm gonna put in the description. So over here you can make links, and over here we don't need links right now, and over here is the QR codes. So just click on it. So after you get on the QR code page, over here, just click on this button, create a bitly, sorry, code. So over here you gotta put the website that you want to. I have this is the website. So over here it's gonna like for the QR codes, the stuff for the QR code, and yeah, after like you put the link, you just click on design your code. So choose it what type of QR code it is you want it to be. So there's different types, and the color, what color you want the QR code to be. And if you have like upgraded, that mean you paid money, you can do stuff like control it. For example, you can do scan me over here or over here. You can like do stuff, add logos, but I'm just gonna stay with this design and click. So after you click on create your code, this will show up your QR code. So you can download it as a PNG, or you can already made a link to over here. But if you are not upgraded or you didn't pay money, it will show that what's it called, little thingy. Wait, yeah, it will show this one, like the small thingy. I'm gonna zoom it. So thank you guys for thank you guys for watching the video, and please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.